I am Nikola Tesla, born on July 10, 1856 in Smiljan, Croatia. I came from a family of Serbian origin. My father was an Orthodox priest and my mother, though unschooled, was highly intelligent. As I grew older, I displayed a highly remarkable imagination and creativity as was seen with the things that I have created. I have a poetic touch with me also. I am a Serbian-American inventor and engineer who discovered and patented the rotating magnetic field, the basis of most alternating current machinery. I also developed the three-phase system of electric power transmission. Training for an engineering career, I attended at the Technical University at Graz, Austria, and the University of Prague. Graz, I first saw the Gramme dynamo, which operated as the generator and when reversed became an electric motor, and I conceived a way to use alternating current to advantage. Later at Budapest, I visualized the principle of the rotating magnetic field and developed plans for an induction motor that would become my first step toward the successful utilization of alternating current. Sailed for America in 1884, arriving in New York with 4 cents in my pocket, a few of my own poems and calculations for a flying machine. I first found employment with Thomas Edison, but being far apart in background and methods, our separation was inevitable. In 1891, I invented the Tesla coil, an induction coil widely used in radio technology. I immigrated to the United States in 1884 and sold the patent rights to my system of alternating current dynamos, transformers, and motor